born, been made new. We were born to be the images of you, like the sun and the stars, so beautifully reflecting who you are. Help us dare to be the beauty that you see. Father, heal us now. God, show us how to get back to the lives that we've been missing. Jesus, light the way. Teach us today to be who we were born to be. There's a fire deep inside us all, shaken by the wind, drowning in the rain. And only you can keep it burning bright. Only you can light the way. God, show us how. Father, heal us now. Jesus, light the way. Teach us today to be who we were born to be. Father, heal us now. God, show us how to get back to the life that we've been missing. Teach us today to be who we were born to be. Jesus, light the way. Here I am once again, crying out on the floor, trying to make sense of this emptiness once more. I can't do this on my own. I'm in too deep. I should have known. I know you've made me for so much more than this. I've been running so fast, trying to get back to the start. I've been holding so tight, but it all just comes apart. Pull me in, break me down, make me new, and bring me closer to you. Closer to you. Help me be unafraid, find my place where